city. Yeah.
Oh, ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga baba. Hey madoda. I can explain, baby.
Explain what?
I can explain.
You always say you can explain. What is your explanation this time?
This truck, this truck it took me while I was waiting for a taxi because I knew at 10 o'clock I'll be here. I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
I'm sorry. I'm tired of listening to this. I'm sorry. When are you going to grow up? You're a grown-up man. You always act like a child.
Why are you saying that? Why?
Because that's what you are. Always coming up with excuses. When was the last time you bought me something? I mean, I'm supposed to be your woman.
Where?
What am I
What?
doing?
When is the last time I bought you something? With what? You know I'm not working. I'm trying to make some things out of it.
So is it my problem that you cannot make money? Like that you are useless man?
Even now, baby, I'm still shocked. Why are you wearing like this? Because I was not interested on you. Why are you wearing like Shaka Zulu now?
Well,
Why?
I'm hoping that there's another Zulu who will come and take me to his beautiful house.
Huh?
Yes. I mean...
You crazy now?
How long can I wait for you? Huh? You don't even have a one cow.
Oh, yazi ngifuna ukuthetha ngesingisi akuthetheke. Baby, how can you know I'm trying. You know I'm trying to get jobs. You know I've been here in Joburg because I wanna do something different because I've met you, baby.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Seriously?
And guess what? I wanna marry you now.
Ha! Where's the ring? Where's the ring?
No, I will buy the ring. I will get some. Hey.
You know, I'm tired of these stories. Seriously. Seriously.
3 days, you tired of me.
You know what? Anyone can get tired of you after 3 hours being with you, and I don't even know what am I doing here with you for 3 days. Wasting time.
I
I mean, no. You look at me. I mean, just a fine girl, you know, like nice hair, nice eye. Look at this. I mean,
baby, I don't know where this weight coming from, because I'm sure it's not coming from your heart. It's coming from your legs. Because you can't be saying something like this to me. It's not coming from you. Why are you complaining? Because I've been buying you some things.
those shoes that
Oh,
you you know I don't understand what you're talking about.
What I'm trying to say, I'm regretting now why I met you, because you said to me, you'll understand me, you love me, the way I am, the way I'm ugly, I am, you'll respect me.
Yes, I understand. I respect the ugly as you are, the dumb as you are. There's nothing I can do about it.
Why are you complaining?
I accept you, but I don't want you to be part of my life because I told you, I'm a fine girl and I do not deserve anything like this. What's this? What's this? How much pop is here?
Baby, please. I don't want to be in jail. You're pushing me to go to jail now. Because you can't be talking like...
You're pushing me. You're pushing me.
Hey, baby, I don't want to be Rambo. I want to beat you. But I will be, I'm telling you, you now shouting at me as in like I'm nothing to you. Because I've explained to you that I'll have money, I will marry you, I will buy the car, I will buy everything. You know I'm trying, you know.
That's all you're trying to do. Who do you think you are? That's all you do every day. Oh, honey, I'm going to make money. Oh, honey, I'm going to buy you a new car. Oh. That's all I get. Even when...
You know what?
No. Actually,
you know what?
Even when it comes to ha.
You know what?
That's all I get. Oh,
baby, you know what? I will be leaving you anytime from now on. You must wait for that, because I never thought you'll treat me like this. I've explained to you before you fall in love with me. So now, because I don't have money, I don't have things to buy for you, now I have to be treated like a doormat.
But exactly, when I was falling in love
I
with
won't
you,
accept that.
when I was falling in love with you, I think I hit my head very hard because I don't know what will make me stay. What another excuse will make me stay? Who's gonna pay Lobola? Who's gonna pay Lobola? You don't have nothing.
You said to me in your world, they don't pay lobola. You only buy booze and the chicken and the beef. Now you're talking like this. Fine. Fine.
Fine.
I'm leaving you now because you don't want to listen to me.
You go. You go, boy.
I'm leaving you.